Today's first question. On India's request, which country has retreat policy of no arms supply to Pakistan? This goes to Russia. Who represented India in 5th BRICS virtual meeting? This is Prahalad Singh Patel. Some information about Prahalad Singh Patel. He is the Minister of Tourism since 2019. He belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party and nothing. It's okay. Next part. Which union territory set up a biodiversity council to document a biodiversity? Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Who won World Open Online Chess Tournament 2020? This is P. Inian. P. Inian is a 17-year-old Indian. He beat Russian Sugiuro Sanan and he got $3,100. Next question. Who is the author of the book Latest Dream? The writer is or author is Pope Francis. Pope Francis, he is a head of Catholic Church in Vatican City. In this book, he tells about crisis situation and in that situation how to teach everyone about the situation and individually they solve the problems. Next question. Google has partnered with which country for all drive-in flood forecasting? Bangladesh. Also mentioned in this condition, not only Bangladesh, Google partnered with Bangladesh and India. Google already covered 40 million people of Bangladesh for flood forecasting, but now they decided to cover whole the country of Bangladesh. Next question. Which of the following country hosted G20 foreign country extraordinary meeting 2020? This is Saudi Arab. This is Saudi Arab. Okay. Some information about G20. G20 in this year, the G20 summit is held in Riyadh. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arab, and this meeting held on 21 and 22 November 2020. Previous year G20 occurred in Osaka. Now chairman of G20 is King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. G20 is established in 1999. Next question. The Little Book of Green New Age is launched by UNEP. Now about some information of UNEP. UNEP targeted to 200 million students global about global friendly habit, and UNEP is a United Nations Environment Program. The headquarters of UNEP in New York.